Hello everyone and welcome back to today's episode. So you agree with me that sometimes buying and selling online could feel like a solo mission, right? You're just in your store, scrolling through products, packing orders, and it's just you. Well, what if I told you that there's a vibrant digital market square, a place where you can get instant advice, find your next customer leads, and learn from other vendors and shoppers in real time. This place is the official PHVendorSquare Discord server. And in this video, I'm going to show you how exactly to join and make the most out of it. Think of this as your all-access pass to the heart of the Port e-commerce community. So let's dive in. First off, you might be thinking, why Discord? Why not the regular WhatsApp or Facebook groups? That's a good question. WhatsApp and Facebook groups excel at chats, while Discord is built for community. And here at PHVendorSquare, we've built an online community where vendors and shoppers can reside. Now let's look at a few reasons why Discord is better off compared to WhatsApp and Facebook chat. Discord is organized. Instead of having one chaotic stream of chats like we have on WhatsApp or Facebook, Discord enables you to categorize discussions into relevant topics which resides in channels. So on the server, we have dedicated channels like vendor tips, delivery and logistics, and shopper deals. No more important discussions getting lost in the shuffle like WhatsApp chat. Secondly, the Discord platform is powerful. On the Discord platform, you can hold podcast meetings, you can hold tutorials, you can hold voice and video calls and chats, and you can even have live streaming events. So this is ideal for everything we need as vendors and also as shoppers. Also, the Discord platform is very powerful. It can handle high resolution videos and photos, and in fact anything media to keep the community growing. And lastly, this Discord server serves as your community hub. It's more than a chat. It's a networking event, a mastermind group, and a support system all rolled into one application, and it's available 24/7 either from your phone or from your computer. So now let's take you through a step-by-step guide on how to get it up and running on your device. So let's get started. First, you need to head to your phone's app store, which is either the Google Play Store for Android or the App Store for iPhone. Then you search for Discord and hit download. It's a free app. If you're on a computer, just go to discord.com. After you must have downloaded and installed the application, it's now time for you to create your account. Launch the application and click the register button. Now choose a unique username. This is how everyone will know you on the community. Maybe you can use your business name or your personal name, and then add your email address and a strong password. After doing that, you will need to check your email to verify your account, and after that, you are in. The next step for you now is to join our Discord server through an invite link. We have put the exclusive invite link for the PHVendorSquare server in the description box of this video. Just tap the link and it will open directly in the Discord app. Hit the accept invite and you are in. Once you are in, on top of your screen where you have the server name PHVendorSquare, click it and look for a button that says show all channels. Make sure it's activated and turned on, and then you go back and look for a channel labeled verification. Click it and go through the verification process, and once you pass it, you are welcome to the PHVendorSquare Discord server. The verification process is a security measure we have put in place to keep our home secure. Now you're in, let's take you on a tour around the community. The server structure consists of categories and channels. Channels are grouped into various categories. These areas labeled in capital letters are categories. They all have channels inside them. For example, under the Get Started category, you have the Rules and Info channel, which gives you the rules of the Discord server, which serves as a guide for members of this server. We have another category called the Community, which has various channels like introductions. This is where you introduce yourself to the community once you join. For each channel you visit, there is a channel description on top of the channel, which gives you an idea of what the channel is all about. Then we have voice channels where members can join and have voice and video discussions with each other exclusively. We also have broadcast channels where we will be running our trainings, podcasts, and other meetings. If you want to get across to the admin or the management of PHVendorSquare easily and speedily, you can simply go to the Get Started category, visit the help desk and click general support button and raise a ticket. If you join as a vendor, you need to raise a ticket to usher you into a dedicated community for vendors only. You can simply do that by clicking the button I am a vendor. You fill out the form and submit, and then you'll be attended to in no time. And that's it. If you have any general questions to ask the community, you can ask it in the general chats channel and you'll get a response almost immediately. So always remember, don't be a ghost. As you join, ensure you introduce yourself in the introductions channel. The community is a very friendly one. You also have the option to choose your favorite channels and put channels you're not interested in on mute. This provision is there to help preserve your sanity. If you are looking for any information, you could also feel free to use the search button on top. For example, if you are looking for any information concerning photography, you can use the search button and it will search through all the conversations to give you what you want. And that's it. You're no longer building your business alone. You have a whole community of supportive vendors and eager shoppers right at your fingertips. The link to join is waiting for you in the description box below. Click the link and follow the steps which we've highlighted in this video, and I promise you this will be a game changer for your e-commerce journey. So what are you waiting for? Let's build the future of Garden City e-commerce together. Don't forget to like this video if it helped you, and also subscribe to this channel for more guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.